What's going on, y'all? I know you remember that shrimp po' boy we was checking out. It's time to make it. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe, y'all. And while you here, hit that notification bell too. And become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasting. So first thing first, you know we got a rain on them. We gonna hit them with my little special seasoning blend. Now you can just use a seafood seasoning for this, like Old Bay or something like that. But we gonna get that seasoning on there and then give it a little bit of mix. Now if you wanna know what my special seasoning blend has in it, just hit me in the comments and I'll be sure to let you know. Now after we get it seasoned up and mixed, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of crystal hot sauce. 1/8 of a cup to be exact. Now if you use, say, a sriracha, you might want to add a little vinegar to your hot sauce just so you get that extra vinegary kick, because you need that vinegar for this marinade. But anyway, let's give that a mix. And we're going to let this marinate about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes are up, we're going to get it into our seasoned flour. And we season our flour with that same seafood blend. Then we're going to pop the top on it. And give it a shaky shake, y'all. Give it that shaky shake. That's why I love to use a container, because you can just put that meat into that container and get that meat floured with no problem. And then we're going straight into that oil. Now, of course, our oil is at 350 degrees, give or take. You know, most of the time I might get in there at 340, but it'll still come up. Now, once we get our shrimp in, I'm gonna give it a little stir just to keep them from crowding each other. And after about 3 minutes, because these shrimp, y'all, it don't take long. Just time to get them out there fried. So of course we had to go ahead and make our own meal. So we're gonna start off with a tablespoon of whole grain mustard, then 2 tablespoons of mayo, and a couple of shots of that Crystal's hot sauce. And then we're gonna give that a mix, combining it all the way. Make sure it's well combined, y'all. You want that flavor all the way out through that meal. So after we get this combined, we want to go ahead and cut open our bread. Now me, I'm going to grab a little bit of this inner bread out, because it don't need that much bread, y'all. This bread a little bit too thick for me. I want to taste mostly shrimp and that good mayo. So of course, after we get that bread out, we're gonna get that mayo on. Once we get that mayo on, we're gonna start making our sandwich. Starting with our lettuce. Then our tomatoes. And of course, that beautifully fried shrimp. Oh man, my mouth is watering, y'all, just making this video. And let's get that lid back on top of that sandwich, which we gotta stuff that shrimp into that sandwich, y'all. Look at all that good shrimp in that sandwich. Then we gonna go ahead and cut it in half. And take a look at that cross section, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm ready to eat. So let me go and get a bite. And just like I thought, this was so good. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.